in McAlester, Oklahoma. These broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service Office in Tulsa. Transmitting facilities are located in southeast Oklahoma and serve McAlester and surrounding areas. The winter weather advisory remains in effect until...
Alright, so we're getting winds about in between 10, 15 miles per hour. Pull up the Doppler right now. So this is pretty much it for tonight. See, I'm in... This thing is not updated. Is it even connected to my phone? Put that back up there for a minute. Yeah, it's connected. Well, I guess it just needs refresh then. Hold on. Okay. So, it's passing over right now, but this radar ain't showing it. We're here. This is passing over here. That's where I live at. I came all the way down here just for this little fucking shower. It's pathetic. If I'd stayed in Shawnee and the SPC and shit hadn't said anything, then maybe I would have got much better footage. .16-mile-per-hour winds. Whoa. Whoa. Shit. 22 miles per hour.